Hello, my name is Lindsay and this is my American Sign Language classroom. This is my homepage, just welcoming you to the class. This is my biography and just says a little bit about myself and what I'm passionate about and my experiences, and then a picture of me. And it's called Meet Your Teacher. This is my resource page, and these are the resources I use to get all the information and videos found throughout my website. This is what I call my Web 2.0 tools, and it's just basically all the websites and applications I used from the web. This is what I call my personal choice page, and this is just websites and URLs and resources that I used that I chose. Now I'm going to introduce you to my technology projects. This one was a scavenger hunt we did on LSU's campus, and this one is one I did specifically on sign language. Next, I have my digital story. I did my digital story on Marlene Matlin, who is a deaf actress famously known for the show Switched at Birth. Next, I have my mobile app. The mobile app I researched and made a video for. It was called Book Creator, and here it is. Then I have my PLN, PLE charts, just like the personal network and personal learning environment, with definitions of each. Then I have a video of students learn sign language in order to sing their janitor happy birthday. And this is a video found from YouTube that you can watch. And then this is my website evaluation. It's basically I evaluated PBS learning media and filled out this form on the website. Next, I have my teacher certification from Apple, and these are the 8 badges I received for the applications on the iPad. And that is my website. Thank you for visiting, and I hope you learned a little bit about ASL when you look at it.